Here's a 2018 Cadillac XTS. This is a flagship vehicle in every regard. From impeccable details to the meticulously crafted interior, this chiseled beauty is elegant throughout. And get ready for an impressive combination of features. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, power tilt-down heated mirrors, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, configurable instrument gauges, easy key, dual zone climate control, V6 engine, Ultra View express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, magnetic fluid-filled shocks, and automatic transmission. To achieve greatness, one must dare to be great. Shape your world in a Cadillac. See it for yourself when you take it for a test drive.
Call us today at 1-866-460-9587.